Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Discord overlay in games you play on your PC or Steam games, doesn't matter. So first of all, we need to open the Discord on our computer PC, and now from the main page we need to click on the user settings right here in the bottom left corner. So click on it. We have this type of window opened, and here you see the left side menu. You need to scroll down just to the end until you will see game overlay. If you do not see the game overlay right here, you can always go to the search bar and type here overlay. So this is the second way of how you can go to the game overlay settings. And now we will have here the settings. All you have to do is to simply disable enable overlay option right here, and basically it will ask us why we are disabling. Just go and choose other and submit, or you can skip if you want. So we disabled overlay, and now you can also disable legacy overlay as well, and that is basically it. That is how you can disable Discord overlay in games. So basically that is it. That is how you can fix the problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.